Yo people, today we're going to replace this long, ugly tail with a premium one.
What do you need today, gentlemen? Today we'll need Torx, size 3, 4 and 5. Wrench tool, 8, 10, 12 and 13. And a screwdriver. Step 1 is to take the original blinker, this is from original tail tidy, and connect it with those two parts. Repeat this process with the other side of the blinker. Now we have those two parts, those two original blinkers, and the next step is to join those. Insert the cable through the hole, like this. Now take the bolt and mount it. Repeat this process with the other side too. Now we have those two parts and we need to assemble it with a plate holder and original plate light. First thing you need to do is to put the cable light here, but not fully, like this. Step 2 is to take those three parts and mount it to the bike. Next step is to slide those cables through this hole. Next step is to join those parts together and hide the cables. Don't forget about this part and put it here in the hole. It needs to be in the side of the plate holder. Now take this bolt and mount it inside the plate. Now let's put the tail to the bike. Yeah, like this. Tighten with this bolt. All we have to do is mount the plate extensions and join the cables. And that's it. Did you know that most aftermarket parts are anodized? Ours is powder coated, which gives the product durability and it maintains a strong color contrast. One of the coolest features is of course hidden wiring. With this tail tidy, your wires are protected from all road conditions like water, salt or mud, and bolts, stainless steel with lock nuts, which prevents unscrewing. Every part of the tail tidy is CNC machined out of aluminum, so it easily withstands all daily loads such as air resistance, vibration and road shocks. Hit the link, explore our web shop and pick your favorite style and protection parts today. Till next time!